and also to commit that we are building an APC that is strong, an APC that has always been there. We have been part of the formation of APC since 2013, and we wanted to make sure that this message remains at the forefront of consciousness, that we are a part and parcel of APC, will continue being so, and we push APC for unity in Rivers State. That's why we have come.
The chairman just charged you to have an open door for both non-members and old members. How do you intend to take this message, sir?
Very, very dear to heart. You cannot build a political party that is not open, inviting people and bringing people. So we are the foundation of this, and we will keep an open door policy, invite everybody who wants to come and join us in APC. We are the foundation members, and it is our duty to build this party. So that's very good advice from the chairman, and we take it on.
What is the take on the appointment of the FCT minister, who is the card-carrying member of the...
That's a presidential prerogative, and the president did what he believed is best for the nation. We're not against that.
Mr. Chairman, sir.
Yes.
Sometimes a while ago, you assured PDP in Rivers that you are coming to take over Rivers. And you have equally charged your visitors today that you are ready to reclaim Rivers. With this group of people here today, sir, how soon do we expect APC to take Rivers?
Thank you for this very important question. First of all, you have seen the timber and caliber of APC from Rivers State. And you are sure that in 2014, you know how APC was strong in Rivers State. But so many things happened within the party. Many left the party. Strong people who even were senators left the party. And also the problem continued because we lost government in Rivers State. But from what is happening now, from the information we have, many are ready to come back to the party. And I'm so happy that this strong delegation, they are here in order to rebuild the party. And they have accepted. They will provide an enabling environment so that those who left the party will come back. And also they will provide conducive atmosphere so that those who would like to join the party from other political parties are welcome to come back and join APC. So with this, I think we have taken the right path in building the party and also in winning the election in Rivers State. So I have to thank this powerful delegation. And I assure them that with the reforms that were undertaken in APC, they will be much and much closer to us. Also, we promise them for compensation, because since they don't have government, we look into their problems so that those party members who have worked for the party will be compensated adequately. We gave them this assurance. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey,